The text you are going to read today is called Fad or Not. So a fad is something that is very popular for a short time. So some fads you might be familiar with. This were ones that died in 2018. You have Fortnite and Fortnite dances. Used to be super popular. Now we don't see them hardly at all. That whole Tide Pods thing, T-posing, fidget spinners. Do you remember when so many kids had fidget spinners, and yet I haven't seen one in quite a while? Bottle flipping. Okay, so many fads, so many things that were popular for a short time, but then just didn't last. And this happens. And it's interesting to see and think, okay, is this a fad? Is this going to stay around? Different clothing items, how people dress, how they do their hair. Lots of different fads come and go. Now this text is about some inventions that people thought would be fads, but turned out not to be. Because people might think, oh, this thing isn't going to last, and then it turns out that it does. So that's just some background knowledge for what this text is about. You need to circle 3 pairs of homophones, so 6 words total. You can go back and look at the examples from your homophones lesson if you need to. Then, how did some people long ago react to new inventions? Underline an example from the text that supports your answer. Why do you think people reacted this way? So just what you think, okay? Not right or wrong, just why do you think people might have thought that? And then, have you ever seen a new invention that you were skeptical about at first? And truth be told, honest, when iPhones first came out, I didn't like the idea that my music and my phone would be the same thing, because I thought if I ruined it, they would both be ruined instead of being separate. Well, now I can see that that was silly, that it's great to have them in the same place, but at first I was a little bit skeptical. Or having a flashlight on my phone. I thought, why would I ever need this? But now, sure enough, I love the fact that I have a flashlight when I need it. So it just goes to show that sometimes we think something is going to be a bad idea, but it turns out that it is not. If you are having any trouble either reading it, finding homophones, answering the questions, let me know, and I am more than happy to help you if you need it. So good luck, you can do it.